Hi friends, today our writing workshop is going to focus on setting up our workspace, on the tools that help us become better writers, and how we can manage to organize our space so that we can be free to draft our ideas and develop our writing. Let's see some of our writing tools. Some of the writing tools that we use can be pencils, markers, erasers, crayons, paper, and other tools. These are some of the things that we can use for our writing to develop it from a draft to a final publishing piece. Also, friends, it's best to organize our writing in a writing folder where we can separate the work that is just a draft and beginning pieces and the pieces that we're editing and revising. A writing folder helps us organize our papers, our notebooks, and our checklists. Also, friends, as you find a space at home that you can create your own writing center, you can use lots of vocabulary words that can help you remember how to write the words and what those words look like. You can develop vocabulary based on the topics that you're writing, some sentence stems, and maybe some sight words. And we're going to be learning this all together this kindergarten school year. This, friends, might be your work desk. Remember, find a space that you can sit comfortable, you have lots of space, and not too many things to distract you. You can have decorations and make it look nice, but remember, this is the area where you're developing as a writer. So, friends, I hope that you can find time to create your own writing space. Maybe have a fancy folder you can decorate it in rainbow letters and really get into your writing process. I'm really excited to see you writing super duper soon. This week we're going to be launching our writing workshop and preparing to become published authors. Thank you, friends. See you in the next one.